Thank you to the Science and Innovation team for your powerful perspectives. Now please join me in welcoming Mpiwa, our World Food Forum 2023 anthem singer, who performed last year's anthem for us, and she will introduce a surprise guest and pass the baton to this year's World Food Forum anthem singer. Let's give them a round of applause.
Hello, World Food Forum. Hello, World Food Forum. What an incredible week it has been, right? I think the sheer creativity and the excellence that has been showcased this week should go beyond these walls and also for generations to come. Do you agree? All right. So I'm going to be singing the 2023 World Food Forum anthem that I wrote. And that song is about youth unity and empowerment. We're going to have a bit of fun. And then after that, I'm going to be introducing our very, very, very special, talented artist. Are we ready for some fun? Let's go.
Our world has changed. New life and hope and promise to sustain. But what always remains is young people leading ways. Quiet Tinoshanda, Tinorarama, Niga ino, Shinoreva, Kutitese Tine Basa. La promesse de propager le monde entier, notre responsabilité de créer l'égalité. To see the world heal, to see the world grow, we will give, we will sow with grace. The challenges we embrace together, yeah. Together, yeah. Together, yeah. Together, yeah. Ensemble, yeah. On fait ensemble, yeah. Ensemble, yeah. On fait ensemble, yeah. In harder times, we break the chain and unify. Pamoja tinokunda, tinabatana tinobudiria, tinibalikia si tinokwanisa. Kamusiwi kutitiribanu benyasha. To see the world heal, to see the world grow, we will give, we will sow with grace. Challenges we embrace together, yeah. Together, yeah. Insieme, yeah. Insieme, yeah. Ensemble, yeah. On fait ensemble, yeah. Insieme, yeah. Insieme, yeah. Together, yeah. Together, yeah. Ensemble,
She's working to the music space.
yeah.
We also want to see a world that's advancing sustainably, inclusively. Cela ni mashiriki tunavyo kusimamia ndani yetu.
And inclusively.
Et chaque jour,
And we shall do
nous
that
ferons
together.
ensemble.
Thank you. All right, let's give a round of applause for Nouran AbuTaleb.